Common questions in English. What is your name? Kí ni orúkọ rẹ? Who is that? Ta nìyẹn? How are you? Báwo ni? How old are you? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ọ́? What do you do? Iṣẹ́ wo lò ń ṣe? Will you come? Ṣé wàá wá? What time is it? Kí ni aago sọ? Or aago mélòó ló lù? Where did you go? Ibo lo lọ? Where are you? Ibo lo wà? Where do you live? Ibo lò ń gbé? What did you do yesterday? Kí lo ṣe lánàá? Have you been to Ibadan before? Ṣé o ti dé Ìbàdàn rí? What are you doing here? Kí lò ń ṣe níbí? Do you want to go out? Ṣé o fẹ́ jáde? How much is it? Èló ni? Where were you born? Ibo ni wọ́n ti bí ọ? Which one is yours? Èwo ni tìrẹ? Where are you going? Ibo lò ń lọ? Do you have children? Ṣé o lọ́mọ? Do you understand? Ṣé ó yé ọ? What happened? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? What do you want? Kí lo fẹ́? What's wrong with you? Kí ló ṣe ọ́? Do you know? Ṣé o mọ̀? When are you leaving? Ìgbà wo lò ń lọ? Can you drive? Ṣé o lè wa ọkọ̀? What are you looking for? Kí lò ń wá? Have you seen this movie? Ṣé o ti wo eré yìí? Is it difficult? Ṣé ó le? What would you like to eat? Kí lo fẹ́ jẹ? What did he say? Kí ló sọ? Is it expensive? Ṣé ó wọ́n? What are you reading? Kí lò ń kà? Are we there yet? Ṣé a ti débẹ̀? Do you agree? Ṣé o gbà? Can you help me? Ṣé o lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́? Who did you come with? Ta ló tẹ̀lé wá? Who is calling? Ta ló ń pè? How did you know? Báwo lo ṣe mọ̀? What's your favorite food? Oúnjẹ wo lo fẹ́ràn jù? Which book are you reading? Ìwé wo lò ń kà? Do you have a job? Ṣé o ní iṣẹ́? Did you finish